Hello guys, and I'm going to show you how to use proximity prompts in Roblox Studio. First, you need your little prompt, and then you're going to enter proximity prompt with the script inside. The script is going to have. The second thing, actually, you also need a remote event inside the replicated storage, because I'm going to use a remote events for this. We're going to do strip that parent that triggered connect to a function, and then here we're going to get the player. Then we're going to do and our replicated storage, the remote event that fire client using that player object. That's just whoever triggered it. Now we're gonna go here inside the starter character scripts. You want to enter a local script, and then you're gonna type in and that replicated service that remote event that on client event connect to a function, and then what I want to do is I'm just gonna print works. This is all you need. All you need is a remote event, and it's just going to call upon this local script. Now if I do this, it will print works after the certain set amount of time. If you want to know how to do that, click on proximity prompt, and it's just hold duration right here. That's how you use proximity prompts for Roblox Studio.